You're talking about saccadic eye movement and pursuit. Saccadic eye movement is fast eye movement. Pursuit is slow eye movement. Fast eye movement originates from the frontal eye field and goes down to the contralateral side of paramedial pontine reticular formation and cranial nerve 6 nucleus. Cranial nerve 6 nucleus communicate both. One is a lateral rectus innervated by the cranial nerve 6 and goes up to the cranial nerve 3 nucleus through the medial longitudinal fasciculus. So cranial nerve 3 muscle, medial rectus, and cranial nerve 6 muscle, lateral rectus is fired. So eyeball move to the same side and same speed. That is a saccadic eye movement pathway. Pursuit is the same pathway. Only difference is generated from the parietal occipital region of our brain and goes down to the same side. So cranial nerve 3 and cranial nerve 6 muscle is activated. That is a pursuit pathway. So we can use it functional neuro exercise or neurofunctional training.